Hi, namaskar, namaskaram, namaste, assalamu alaikum, sat sri akal. To each and every one of you, it's absolutely fantastic. And may I put on record right from the very beginning, thank you so much to Milan, to Ronnie Screwwala of UTV and Milan Luthria for giving me this great opportunity to be able to say, hey, after 37 years, to be finally told that I could do a calypso like this. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Preetham has done a great job of the music, and Mayur, of course, written fantastic lyrics. But, of course, the cherry on the icing, the cake, is having people like Nana Patekar, Danny Denzongpa, our very own tall, small boy, Kunal. Let's have a big hand for the lovely, lovely Rumi as well. Come on, everybody. Let's really, really clap hands for them because I think they've done such a fantastic job. Itna maza aaya while we did the video. It was really, really fantastic. And सभी लोग मुझे पूछते हैं कि what is this Hattrick all about? मैं कहती हूँ, like you just said, Milan. Actually, if you got into the words, you would know that it's just about life itself. अपनी किस्मत का तू है God. जिंदगी है 22 गज की दौड़. बैट को ज़मीं से रख चिपका. रन तो बनेगा पर विकेट बचा. I think it's just brilliant, and I think in all our lives at some time or the other, we've had people saying this to themselves and to each other. The runs will come, try to save the wicket. Ladies and gentlemen, it just so happens that it's near World Cup time, and this is a double bonus for us. So I do hope it becomes a real big hit and everybody starts singing it as well. Because आपके support के बगैर कुछ नहीं होता. As I always say, after 37 years, my career is really on the upswing, and to get a song like this, whoa! Would you like to listen to me sing? Oh, so enthusiastic in the morning, huh? जोर से बोलिए ना. मैं अगर आप ना भी कहेंगे तो मैं गाऊंगी. कलकत्ता से आई हूँ मैं. ऐसे थोड़ी छोड़ने वाली हूँ आप लोग सबको. I'm just dying to sing for you and dying to show this video to the whole world. As everybody knows, I come from Bombay, born and brought up here, and I couldn't think of a better way to say, hey, I love cricket too. Yeah, so I want to sing this song for you, and